Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Segment for data integration strategy step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the Segment website URL. Press enter to load the home page. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password if needed. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button. You may be prompted to verify your identity through two-factor authentication if it's enabled. Follow the verification steps as instructed. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to the Segment dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Check the navigation menu on the left for different data integration options. To set up new integrations, click on the Sources tab. From here, you can add new sources by clicking on the Add Source button. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your desired data source. Once your source is set up, navigate to the Destinations tab. Select the destinations where you want to send your data. Finally, review your integration settings before saving. Congratulations, you are now logged in and ready to implement your data integration strategy with Segment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.